Okay, so ngayon naman, dodrawingan natin ng pakpak itong ibon na ginawa natin. So notice na drawing natin yung ibon, ni-rough sketch natin, tapos cleanin up at saka kinulayan. Okay? And then after that, kinonvert natin into a graphic symbol. Okay? At bilang patunay na isa itong graphic symbol, makikita ninyo dito sa properties. No? Pag sinelect natin itong ibon, lumalabas yung light blue box and there's this icon right here. It's a combination, it's a cluster of triangle, circle, and square, and it says here graphic and instance of bird. That's basically the name of this graphic symbol. Okay? So sana nakikita ninyo. Mas mabuti siguro kung tanggalin ko yung video. Okay, so in case na hindi nyo nakita dahil nakabukas yung video ko. So pag sinelect nyo tong ibon, lumalabas yung light blue box na nakapalibot dito. And meron dito sa may bandang properties, meron kang makikitang icon na triangle, circle, and square. That's the logo of graphic symbol. And it basically says here, graphic and instance of bird. If you remember, yun yung pangalan ng graphic symbol na inassign natin. Okay? At sa pagkakataong ito nga yun, ano? Ayan, ano? So, ayan, kita niyo yung rough sketch natin kanina. Ang gagawin natin dyan sa rough sketch na yan, which is located in this layer right here, we're going to erase that. Okay? So, we're going to press the delete button right here. At ang matitira na lamang itong ginawa nating ibon. Okay? So katawan lamang yung drawing natin. Ngayon ang gagawin kasi natin dito, lalagyan natin siya ng animation sa loob. No, sa loob ng symbol, kung naalala ninyo yung previous activity natin na kung saan gumawa tayo ng animation sa loob ng graphic symbol, ganito rin yung gagawin natin dito sa ibon na to. Okay? So, for us to do that, no, we're going to create a frame by frame animation for this bird. And for us to do that, we have to get inside this bird. So how do we do that again? So we're going to click it, no? Ima-mouse click natin tong ibon na to ng 2 beses. So 2 beses, double click, at mapapansin niyo pagka double click, ayan, meron kayong mapapansin dito na bird, yun yung pangalan ng graphic symbol, at merong cluster logo. Or rather, it's a logo that features a cluster of geometric shapes, namely triangle, circle, and square. At meron siyang layer 1 dito. Ngayon, yung layer 1 na to, papangalanan natin siyang bird body. Bird body. Okay. So, ganyan. Okay. So, nasa loob tayo ng graphic symbol. Ito yung nagpapatunay. No? Yan yung nagsisignify na nasa loob tayo ng graphic symbol. Pag lumabas tayo, pag gusto natin lumabas, pipindutin lamang natin ang scene 1. Okay? If you want to get inside this bird, all you have to do is double click on it. Okay? And now we have the layer called bird body. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to lock it. And then I'm going to add a new layer wherein I'm going to draw the rough sketches of the wings. But before that, I have to extend, let's say, for example, the bird body. I have to extend it until frame number 5. And for me to do that, I am going to press the following command. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to right click on this area, on this timeline, and simply select insert frame. So more or less ganyan kahaba yung magiging animation niya. Okay? So now on layer 2 right here, it says layer 2, meron tayong blank keyframe dyan. I'm going to rename this as wings, rough wings. Okay? And now I'm going to draw over there. Okay? So using the brush tool, oops, sorry. Something happened. Teka lang. Ayan, nag-undo lang ako. Something happened, ano? Nagkaroon ng technical glitch. Okay, balik tayo. Using this layer, no? I am going to draw my wings right here. So I am basically going to use a lighter color of the fill color, and I'm going to select the brush tool for my rough sketching. Okay, so here it goes. Make sure that the bird body is locked para hindi siya madamay sa inyong selections. So siguro pag ganyan muna. Yan. Okay. Yan, ganyan siya, no? So medyo sisimplihan ko na lamang yung ano natin, yung ibon, kumbaga. Okay? So, sara natin dito. Okay? So, let me just erase that a little bit. Yan, ano? Okay. And then, siguro, right here at the middle, mag-i-insert blank keyframe ako dyan. So, basically, the intention is to make the wings flap, or rather flap, no? The intention is to make the wings flap. Tapos, meron pa siyang isang uh, pakpak sa kabila, no? The other wing. Okay? So that's basically how it looks. And of course, right here, okay, I'm going to, this is an insert blank keyframe here. This is a blank keyframe, and I'm going to activate the onion skin to see the previous drawing. So right here, I am going to basically draw the other wing. So ganun lang naman siya. Okay. Okay, labas na ako ng konti. Okay, yan yung scene 1 natin. Okay. Lumabas na ako ng graphic symbol. Okay, papasok ulit ako. Wala lang, may inayos lang ako saglit. And basically, yan. Yan yung magiging, ano ng ibon. Yan yung magiging posisyon ng ating ibon. Okay. Ayan. Okay. Now, ganyan siya. Okay. And then, dito sa frame number 5, babalik uli sa taas yung, ano niya, yung pakpak. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to right click and then copy frames. And then pupunta ako sa dulo, right click, paste frames. So may ganyan na siya, no? So, lalagyan ko na in between yung wings niya, no? So wag niyong kalimutan pindutin ang Control S. Okay? And then right here, sa gitna ng dalawang drawing na to, maglalagay tayo ng in-between roughs. Okay? So, since we're going to create a new drawing and this is a frame-by-frame animation of some sort, we are going to insert blank keyframe right here. Teka, nagkamali ako. Ayan, insert blank keyframe. Okay. And then activate the onion skin to see the previous and the next drawing. So, right here, parang gaganyan siya. And, mm, yan. No? So, parang meron siyang ganyan. May drag yung, ano niya, yung, yan, no? Yan. So, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So, ayan yung kanyang wings. Yan, lagyan natin ng konting texture itong wings niya. So, ayan, yung in between niya, no? Okay, so kita nyo, gumaganyan siya. And right here dito sa section, dito sa portion na to, lalagyan natin na in between tong dalawang wings na to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click, insert blank keyframe. Okay. So activate the onion skin, and basically oh, parang paganyan siya, no? Teka, medyo mahirap i-drawing tong part na to, no? Paganyan siya, no? Tignan natin yung flow. Yan, okay. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yan. And yung kabila naman, 1, 2, 3. Yan. So, basically what we have here, meron tayong ganyan. Okay? So, if we're not satisfied with the wing flaps, we can add another layer. Sorry, we can add another blank keyframes among these drawings. So, probably, uh, I'm going to add another drawing right here. Okay, so I'm going to, you know, right click right here, right click, insert frame, and so dahil nag-extend tayo dito, i-insert frame ko rin to nandito sa baba. Insert frame, yan, no? So kailangan pantay yung layer ng rough wings at saka yung bird body, no? Pantay yung layers niya dito sa timeline. Okay, so right here, I'm going to insert blank keyframe and activate the onion skin to see the previous and the next drawing. Yan. Okay, so nagdagdag lang ako ng ano, ah nagdagdag lang ako ng wings, ng rough drawing ng wings. Okay. So dito, yan, no? So dito naman, sabihin na natin, I think pwede na yan, no? Yan, ano? So nagpa-flap na ng ganyan yung wings niya, no? Siguro, lagyan lang natin na isa pang drawing dito sa pagitan na itong dalawang to. So, I'm going to right-click right here. Right-click, insert blank keyframe. Ba, hindi nag-insert blank keyframe. Right-click, insert blank keyframe. Aba, hindi siya nag-insert blank keyframe. Sorry. Mali pala ako. Insert frame, no? Insert frame para mag-extend siyang ganon. And then insert blank keyframe. And then ito naman sa baba, insert frame. So kailangan kasi pantay yan, no? Pantay sila. And right here, I'm going to activate the onion skin. Yan, pag ganyan. Okay. So, so I have a total of 7 drawings of the wings, no? So, yan. So, okay, yan yung rough sketch natin. Okay? So, ayan, ano? So, nagfa-flap na yung wings natin. Okay? But this is just a rough sketch. Okay, so after nito kasi i-clean up natin itong ano natin, i-clean up natin itong uh, drawing natin. Okay? So, all right, no? So, tingnan natin kung okay na tayo sa animation. Okay. So, okay. So, that's it, ano? So, tandaan ninyo, nasa loob ng graphic symbol na bird itong wings na to. Okay? So, pag lumabas ka, pinindot mo yung scene 1. So, ito siya. No? They are one entity. Pero pag pumasok ka sa loob, meron 2 layers. Okay? So, ganun siya. Okay? So, yan, ganun siya. Okay? So, sa susunod nating video, i-clean up natin itong animation na wings na ginawa natin. So, I'm gonna see you in the next video, which is the cleanup process. Okay? So, stay tuned.